started reaching out to the people who have past experience in analytics and data science field, and in personally, which proved out to be really beneficial for me as I come to know that it is related to my education back. So there I decided that I want to gain and learn more knowledge about this profession. So I joined IVF Professional School, where I got hands-on experience on industry-based project which were job-oriented, and it proved out to be really beneficial for me.
So I love data science because it always helps us in looking at things objectively, like no guessing. And it always helps with the curiosity, knowing that you will always find something which you would have never imagined.
I just completed my master's in economics in 2020. There I had done some basic database analysis using statistical knowledge. From there I really wanted to know what is data science, how data works.
This is Shubhasri Sharkar. I'm a student of IU Professional School and also a working professional for the past 2 years. Honestly speaking, before getting into this field, I had very little knowledge about data science. While pursuing MBA, I took up business analytics as a special paper, and from that very point of time, I started having a keen interest in this particular area.
Gain some insights and delivering those insights to a company or an organization for its betterment excites me a lot.
Being a mathematics graduate, I thought it would be easy grasping machine learning and statistics, where IB has been the major backbone for me to strengthen data science much quickly and efficiently.
I recently gave birth to my baby, so I got the gap of around 6 to 7 months. I want to restart my career, so I was looking for the opportunity, and in that time IVA proved to be really beneficial for me because they started their internship program.
I always had doubts and inhibitions regarding whether it is for me or not, but with Ivy I took that huge leap of faith, and now after successfully finishing 3 modules, I kind of feel that I will accomplish my dream of becoming a data scientist, and I really want to thank Ivy for that.
I am very new to this data science field, but Ivy never made me feel like that. In this journey, I am learning a lot. I have handled good amount of data sets, then understand and rectified errors, solved problems. In my academical years, I have learned a lot about statistics, but here I am really understanding how it works and it gives a real picture of it. Thank you.
For me, the journey so far has been very much exciting and amazing, and I would like to thank each and every one of the IB Professional School, including my fellow batchmates and classmates, who has helped me in shaping my career so far.
Shani ma'am and Prateek sir have not only helped me as a budding data analyst, but also have motivated me to be visible.
I want to be a successful woman who have achieved to stand by her own and keep her parents with her with pride. I want to work hard daily to earn enough to have a good standard of life.